quick overview of what to do after the quiz if you're confused. So we have this worksheet on the Malay Archipelago and discovering the Wallace Line. So this PDF will walk you through, and you should have a copy of each of these documents. They'll be up in the top right-hand corner for you. You can feel free to edit those. This document is actually just the same questions that you'll find in this PDF. So if you prefer to write those responses in your notebook, as always, you can do that. Just take a picture and upload. So first, you'll just read this background information about Alfred Russel Wallace. Pretty interesting. And then you're actually going to sort of do the same types of studies that he was doing when he was in the field. So he spent quite a long time in the Malay Archipelago, looking at different types of animals, collecting specimens, etc. So here's some of the groups that he was seeing. These are the family names and then the common names. It's kind of fun to see the Latin names, because you might notice Felidae is cats, and you might be like, Felidae, that sounds like feline. Same root there. Canidae is actually dogs, canines. Ursidae is bears. That might remind you of Ursa Minor and Ursa Major, the big and little bear. Piccidae is woodpeckers. I always remember that one because it's like pick, 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 Piccidae. Some of them don't make any sense unless you actually know Latin, but so here's just a list of those family names. And then you actually have information from his journals. So he looked at a bunch of different islands in that region: Australia, Borneo, Sulawesi, Lombok, Bali, and then he marked down which families he was finding in each island. So you're going to use this map in the Jamboard. So again, you each have your own copy of this, and you're going to record where he was seeing all of these organisms. It might be easiest just to use sort of a shape to represent the different organisms. In the PDF, they tell you just to draw a line showing the boundaries, but it might be easiest just to mark which islands have which animals to start with. So let's just say that we're going to use a circle for Felidae, for the cats. I'll put this little note here so I remember that the circle is for Felidae. And then I'll go back to my guidebook and I'll find which islands have cats. So we have Bali with cats, Bali and Borneo, and the Malay Peninsula. So let's go mark those in with circles. There's some cats here, and there's some cats in Bali, and there's some cats in Borneo. There might be a few other too. If you need to sort of move things around and everything, you definitely could do that as well. If you want,